So Renuva actually goes away. So it gets resorbed over about 3 months, and fat is in its place. So essentially, fat cells appear there, and you have more volume of fat. So if it's actually Renuva and it's within that 3-month period, you can inject a little bit of corticosteroid, very dilute, and it will stop the effects. So in that respect, yes. If it's fat, you can remove fat either physically via liposuction, or you can use deoxycholic acid, which is the branded Kybella, and that can break down those fat cells. But the actual Renuva itself does not last that long. So if you are going to have Renuva in the face, I recommend you do it in stages, approximately every 3 months, because Renuva does go away, and you want that Renuva to go away before you add more. So you can do it every 3 months until you get your desired effect.